Hello, in order to enable or disable always on display on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, you need to go to the settings. And then over here, you can scroll down to find lock screen and AOD and then go there. And finally over here, we have always on display. You can press on the slider in order to quickly enable or disable this option. You can also tap on always on display text in order to go into details. And here you have additional options, which can also be enabled and disabled by tapping on these sliders or going somewhere into the options. In addition to that, you can also go to quick access over here, and you will probably not find AOD option over here, but you can press on this pen icon here in order to edit the full. And in available buttons, you can find always on display. You can press on this button in order to add it to quick access, then you can press done, and you can quickly enable or disable always on display over here then. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!